Oh, this is a fun one. Welcome to Wagner Academy. SAT math question number 65. This one says to note that the figure is not drawn to scale. And it also says in the figure above, angle NMP is 30 degrees. That's this one right here. They already got that in there. Angle NPQ is 60. There's that one right there. And the length of MP, segment MP here, is 6. I'm going to label that. That is not already labeled in the picture. So this is 6 from here to here. What is the area of triangle MNP? So M and P, we're trying to find the area of the triangle connected by those red dots. That is not what I wanted to go up there. Okay, there we go. And so I know the area of any triangle is supposed to be 1/2 base times height. The base and the height have to be the perpendicular parts. So I've got this base of 6, but I don't know this perpendicular height NQ to that base. However, I may have enough information in this picture to figure it out. I know that this angle would have to be 120 since these two form a linear pair. I know based on that, since I have 30 and 120 here, then this angle up here, angle MNP, would have to be 30 degrees. And 60, 90 would leave 30 right here for that angle measurement, PNQ. Also, something else I see in the picture here now, based on what I just wrote in, I see I have an isosceles triangle, 30, 30, and 120. That means that this side, MP, would be congruent to this side, and NP. So this would also be 6. And so based on all of that, I know something about right triangles, special right triangles like this one, 30, 60, 90 right triangles to be exact. So 30, 60, 90 triangles, something you hopefully remember from geometry, but if not, we're relearning it right here. They hold up in this ratio of 1 to rad 3. Rad 3 being the square root of 3, about 1.7. So radical 3 and 2. 1.7 should make sense that the longer leg would be longer than the shorter leg here. This is 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees in here. And the hypotenuse should be the longest part. 2 is bigger than 1.7 right here. So they always hold up in this ratio. If you had these times any value, which I'll just call x, they would still be in that ratio. And so based on that, I know that this is the hypotenuse in this 30, 60, 90 triangle. Then because of that, I know that the hypotenuse is twice as long as this part right here, this short leg. So from 6, I can determine that this is 3. And then I can determine that the long leg is the radical 3, or the square root of 3, times bigger than that value right there. So this part right here, NQ, which is the part I really wanted to know, NQ is 3, rad 3. Trying to draw a straight line. There we go. It's not too bad. So now I have my base of 6, which I saw at the beginning, times my height, NQ there, of 3, rad 3. 1/2 of 6 is 3, and 3 times 3 radical 3 is going to be 9 radical 3, or 9 times the square root of 3. Therefore, my final answer on this one should be choice B.